So I'm gonna get into a series about passing chords and just different movements. We be in the key of F sharp, and this is what I'm gonna show y'all. Instead of going 1, 2, 3, 4, you do 1, 2, 3, sharp 4, and over that sharp 4, you just playing it like a drop 2, so like A flat over C. And then I usually, so in my left hand, I'm gonna play that, and then my right hand I'm gonna add this 9 in that chord. But that's just a drop 2. So you do F sharp, it's like an A, or you can say G sharp, a minor 7, A sharp minor 7, and then like A flat over C. Then this takes you to an F augmented 7 with a sharp 9. So in the left hand, you're just playing the F and the E flat or D sharp, however you want to look at it. A, C sharp, D sharp, G sharp. And this is just a circle of fifths. So you do 1, 2, 3, sharp 4, 7, 3. So you're 3. That's like a 1 over 3. So like F sharp over A sharp, but you can play, make it like a minor 7 too. You could do that. And this takes you to a 6. So I'm not playing a minor 6. We doing a, what is that? We playing the E flat augmented 7. And then it's different ways to voice that. You could do that with adding this sharp 9 in there too. It's one way. Just keep it like that. And then you can play the you're going from 6 to 2, so just like a minor 7 or minor 9. Then I did this. That's a passing chord. D dominant 9 with a sharp 11. So you could voice it. It's like playing E over D. You would get the tonality if you just played it like that. But I am throwing some other stuff in there. So throwing that third in there, that dominant 7, to get all those colors, but you can get the tonality with just playing it like this. Let's hear from the top again. This just takes you down to the 5. So that's all I'm doing. Like I'm playing a B major 7 over C sharp. So really the same chord as the 2. We doing that, and then back to that. So you're doing. Throw that minor 6 in there or major 6. When you're playing other songs, always remember an option you have. Instead of going to the 4, you can go to a sharp 4, and then you're just playing a major 2 over the sharp 4. So whatever key you in, the 2, the second degree of that scale, you just play a major chord over a sharp 4, or you can say flat 5. Usually we say flat 5. So 2 over flat 5 in that key. So if you in F sharp, 1, 2, A flat or G sharp would be your 2. So you would play a major chord, and then to the flat 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, flatten that, and that's how you get that substitution. Why does that work? Because look at this. that's our melody. And all I'm doing, I'm just gonna jump over this 4 and let's go to a flat 5. So you just adding some chromaticism to it, and that sets you up perfectly to get to this F, because it's a fourth up, fifth down, so circle of fifths. And then so there's a whole circle of fifths pattern. Once you get to that C, da da da, now circle of fifths, passing chord, but still in the circle of fifths. I just added a detour. So, and then this would take me to 1, but now same rule apply with the 1. Instead of playing a 1 again, let me let y'all hear that melody. So 7, 3, 6, 2, detour, 5, and then 1. But instead of playing 1, I'm gonna play this again, and I'm gonna play a major 6 over a flat 2 instead of playing. So let me do it with the 1 so y'all can hear that. Listen to this. So that's resolving into the 1, but we do it. So now it's really setting me up to continue a progression. So from here I will go to a 2 minor. Now you can also do this. I'm gonna show y'all this, because this is my note. Now this comes with experience and practice. If I'm coming from a major 6 over a flat 2, this sets me up to go to a flat 7 over 2. So it's just chromatic. Or I can just go to the flat 7, play a 2 minor over a flat 7, still the same chord as a flat 7, but we just add a major 7 to that chord, so it'll sound like this. And then I could do so. That's just going different tone. So to run it again.